Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have an answer for those busy nights. Tonight we're gonna make some super easy cheater enchiladas, and I can't wait to show you how these all come together. Today we're gonna make a very fast, very easy cheater enchilada. On those nights when you're like dying, super tired, you've got to run the kids to 6 different practices, doctor's appointments, school, what have you, because I know in many parts of the country school is getting ready to start up or already has started up. Getting a meal on the table on those nights is sometimes very difficult because let's face it, parent brain is a real thing, and sometimes it's just easier to order pizza than it is to think about making something for dinner. But I have this like little go-to that's perfect for those nights. We're gonna make cheater enchiladas. We're gonna be using some frozen taquitos. These are great to keep in your freezer. Not only are they fabulous to make in the air fryer for a snack or quick lunch, but these make a fantastic cheater enchilada, and I'm not kidding. I tried it, we ate it for dinner, we both thought it was fantastic. So what I have here are some frozen taquitos. You can use whatever brand you like. I have 10 beef taquitos. These are beef and cheese, and these are chicken and cheese. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it up a little because we wanna have a little bit of both. I just wanted to do 2 pans so I could show you and give you some variety. We're gonna be using red enchilada sauce, and I just have a small 10-ounce can for the beef taquitos and some shredded Mexican blend cheese. I have a 10-ounce can of green chili enchilada sauce and a cup of shredded mozzarella, or if you can get shredded queso blanco, that would be even better. They're very similar in texture and taste, so using the mozzarella is perfect. So we're gonna make these up. These are so simple. So watch, we're gonna put on the sauce. And you can use whatever kind of enchilada sauce that you want. I just went with what was in a small can. There's also a brand of Frontera enchilada sauce that comes in a little pouch, and it is fantastic. We had that the first time I made these, and you don't need to go overboard with the sauce, trust me. And then we're just gonna sprinkle our cheeses. And you can put as much or as little cheese as you like. I'm using about a cup on each pan. That seems to be about the right amount. And of course, if you have a big family, you can do these in whatever size pan you like. You can use whatever kind of taquitos you like. You can use, like I'm using chicken and cheese and beef and cheese, but they make bean and cheese, and they make plain cheese, and they make beef with no cheese, so it's entirely up to you. So this is where our preparation stops. That was super easy. It took about 5 minutes. And now we're going to put these in a 350, 375 degree oven for about 25 minutes until the cheese is melted and it's brown and bubbly. And then when they come out, I'm going to fix a plate with a little bit of guacamole salad like you might get at the Mexican restaurant. Okay, these just came out of the oven, and I wanted to show you how beautiful they are. Now, look, I know they're not real authentic Mexican enchiladas, but look, they are amazing. They smell amazing, and I know they're gonna taste delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and fix you a plate, and we'll be right back, and we'll have Rick give them a taste. Well, here are our delicious cheater enchiladas made with taquitos, canned store-bought enchilada sauce, and some cheese. I prepared a little guacamole salad on the side with some shredded lettuce. You can buy that already shredded in a bag. Some homemade or store-bought guacamole. The packaged guacamole from the deli is very good. And some chopped tomato. We went ahead and garnished our enchilada with some sour cream because that's how we like it. But you should serve yours however you prefer. Now, where I come from, when you get red and green, it's called Christmas style. So these are, obviously, we did the chicken taquitos with the green chili enchilada sauce, and we did the beef and cheese taquitos with the red enchilada sauce. So are you ready to taste this?
I have to.
Okay. Here's the beef and cheese.
Really good.
You want to taste the chicken ones?
Sure.
What do you think?
Equally good, but different.
Equally good, but different. That's how we like it. Of course, you can make one or the other or both. You can choose whatever kind of taquito that you want. You can serve it with whatever you want, some Spanish rice or refried beans made with a quick mix, or just open up a can and heat up your refried beans, add some cheese and salsa, and boom, you're good to go. Look, we all need these go-to meals that are going to get on the table super fast because we're all really busy. I hope this gives you a great idea, one that you may not have thought of before. I'm here to tell you we've already tried these in the past and they are very, very delicious. You can even share these with company and I bet they would never know they weren't 100% homemade. So I hope you give these a try and I hope you love them. And until next time, I'll see ya.